Hi, this is my erupting volcano experiment. I already have dirt on a paper plate, and I have vinegar and mixed with red food coloring and yellow food coloring in this test tube. And I'm going to pour a mixture of baking soda, water, and dishwasher fluid to make it erupt. And I added dinosaurs for effect. Yeah, there we go. I'm pouring half of the bottle first. Ooh. There we go. There's our first eruption. Now I'm going to stir it around. Now I'm going to pour the rest in. And it missed completely. Oh, there's one dinosaur down. Oh, he's going down the volcano. Seems to go on one side, so I guess all the other dinosaurs on this side survived extinction. And bad news for Jimmy. Thank you for watching my erupting volcano, and look for more videos by SmittyBones10. Thank you.